Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode. Ako ulit, si Josh. And thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. For today's episode, gusto kong gumawa ng isang bagay na medyo personal. Habang iniisip ko kasi kung anong topic ang pwede natin pag-usapan, napaisip ako kung mabibigyan ako ng chance na makausap ang mas batang version ng sarili ko, ano kaya ang sasabihin ko? Hindi para baguhin ang past, kasi naniniwala ako na every experience, whether good or bad, helped shape who I am today. Pero siguro, kung may pagkakataon lang, may mga bagay akong gustong ipaalala sa younger self ko. At baka habang pinapakinggan mo to, may isa o dalawang bagay kang ma-realize para rin sa sarili mo. The first thing I'd say is, don't be in a such hurry to grow up. Noong bata tayo, excited tayo tumanda. Gusto natin magkaroon ng freedom. Gusto natin gumawa ng sariling nating decisions. Akala natin kapag adult na tayo, mas magiging masaya ang buhay. Pero ngayon ko lang na-realize, bawat stage ng buhay may sariling ganda. Yung simpleng problema noon, gusto na nating matapos agad. Pero ngayon, namimiss natin yung mga panahong ang iniisip lang natin ay school projects, weekend plans, o kung anong laro ang gusto nating gawin. So if I could tell my younger self one thing, I'd say, enjoy where you are. Hindi mo kailangang madali ng panahon because you'll never be this age again. The second thing I'd tell myself is, stop being so hard on yourself. Isa ito sa pinakamahirap kong natutunan. Kapag may mali akong nagawa, feeling ko sobrang laki agad ng pagkakamali ko. Kapag may hindi ako na-achieve, naiisip ko na baka hindi ako enough. Pero habang tumatanda ako, na-realize kong hindi pala fair yung way na kinakausap ko ang sarili ko. Minsan, mas mabait pa tayo sa ibang tao kaysa sa sarili natin. Kapag kaibigan natin ang nagkamali, sasabihin natin, okay lang yan, bawi ka next time. Pero kapag tayo ang nagkamali, parang ang dali nating husga ng sarili natin. Kung pwede lang akong bumalik, sasabihin ko sa younger self ko, be patient with yourself. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect para maging worthy. The third lesson is, learn to appreciate the people who truly care about you. Habang tumatanda tayo, mapapansin nating lumiliit ang circle natin. Hindi dahil may mali, kundi mas naiintindihan na natin kung sino talaga ang nandyan para sa atin. You'll meet a lot of people. Some will stay, some will leave, and that's okay. Treasure the people who celebrates your win, comfort you during your lowest moments, and also remind you who you are when you start doubting yourself. Those are the people you'll always be thankful for. Hi guys, shoutout sa inyo. Kilala niyo na kung sino kayo. Perps people and AP people. The fourth thing I'd tell my younger self is, don't compare your life to everyone else. Ito siguro ang isa sa pinakamalaking challenge ngayon. Especially because of social media. Ang dali nating makita ang achievements ng ibang tao. May graduate na, may trabaho na, may sariling business, may travel photos, at minsan mapapatanong ka, bakit parang ang bilis ng buhay nila? Tapos ako parang andito pa rin. Pero ang hindi natin nakikita ay yung struggles nila. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang pinagdaanan nila at ganun din sila sa atin. So stop measuring your progress using someone else's time. Focus on becoming a better version of yourself. Kahit 1% better every day. That's enough. And lastly, don't forget to enjoy your life. Habang tumatanda tayo, sobrang dali nating ma-focus sa responsibilities like school, work, bills, deadlines, and future. Para lagi tayong may hinahabol. Pero life isn't just about surviving. It's also about living. Spend time with your family. Catch up with your friends. Listen to your favorite songs. Watch the sunset. Laugh more. Take pictures and pray also. And don't wait for a perfect time before you become happy, because happiness is often found in the ordinary moments we usually overlook. So if I could end this conversation with my younger self, ito siguro ang sasabihin ko. I'm proud of you. Proud ako dahil kahit maraming beses kang natakot, hindi ka tumigil. Proud ako dahil may mga pagkakataon hindi mo alam ang susunod na mangyayari. Pinili mo pa rin magpatuloy. At higit sa lahat, proud ako dahil hindi ka nawalan ng pag-asa. And to everyone listening, maybe you also have these things you wish you could tell to your younger self. Maybe there are regrets. Maybe there are missed opportunities. But here's the beautiful thing. We can't change the past, but we can learn from it. And the best way to honor our younger selves is to keep becoming the person they always hoped we would be. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. This is Josh, reminding you to be kinder to yourself. Appreciate how far you've come and never stop growing. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, God bless, and bye.